खबर आ रही है, आपको बता दें सेना में वन रैंक वन पेंशन प्रस्ताव को मंजूरी मिल गई है और इसी साल से ये लागू होगा। वन रैंक वन पेंशन और सरकार ने इसके लिए 500 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान भी किया है।
16,000 women SHGs have been provided credit and the amount of credit outstanding was rupees 36,893 crore. 10 years ago, only a few thousand students, mostly the well-connected, got education loans. At the end of December 2013, public sector banks had 25,70,254 student loan accounts and the amount outstanding was rupees 57,700 crore. Honorable members will recall that my predecessor, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, had in the budget of 2009-10 introduced a central scheme for interest subsidy in respect of education loans disbursed after 1/4/2009, under which government took over the burden of interest for the duration of the period of study and a little beyond. The scheme brought great cheer to student borrowers and their families. However, I have noticed a sense of discrimination among students who had borrowed before 31/3/2009, struggled to pay interest during the period of study and continue to service the loan afterwards. I think they deserve some relief. I therefore propose a moratorium period for all education loans taken up to 31/3/2009 and outstanding on 31/12/2013. Government will take over the liability for outstanding interest as on 31/12/2013, but the borrower would have to pay interest for the period after 1/1/2014. It is estimated that nearly 9 lakh student borrowers will benefit to the tune of approximately rupees 2,600 crore. I intend to provide the funds in the current financial year itself. Accordingly, a sum of rupees 2,600 crore will be transferred to the Canara Bank, the designated CSI banker. Details of the scheme will be announced shortly. This year, Life Insurance Corporation has opened 1,252 offices and the 4 public sector general insurance companies have opened 1,849 offices in towns with a population of 10,000 or more to serve peri-urban and rural areas. They are moving steadily to achieve the goals set for them. A number of steps have been envisaged to deepen the Indian financial markets. Among them are to comprehensively revamp the ADR-GDR scheme and enlarge the scope of depository receipts, to liberalize the rupee-denominated corporation bond market, to deepen and strengthen the currency derivatives market to enable Indian companies to fully hedge against foreign currency risk, to create one record for all financial assets of every individual, to enable smoother clearing and settlement for international investors looking to invest in Indian bonds. Honorable members will recall the payment crisis in the National Spot Exchange Limited. Following the transfer of the subject to the Ministry of Finance, swift action was taken to sequester NSEL and to ensure there was no spillover of the crisis to the other regulated segments of the financial market. I propose to amend the Forward Contracts Regulation Act to strengthen the regulatory framework of the commodity derivatives market. Madam, I regret to record my disappointment that the Insurance Laws Amendment Bill and the Security Laws Amendment Bill have not been passed by Parliament for reasons that have nothing to do with the merits of the bills. Pursuant to the announcement in the budget speech of 2011-12, government is ready with a public debt management agency bill. Following precedent, it is proposed to establish a non-statutory PDMA that can begin work in 2014.